accusations of a cover-up at the Department of Child Services, and this comes following the death of a child.
The horrific injuries to Harlan Haines are raising questions about what DCS knew and did before he died. RTV6's Rafael Sanchez has the latest on this at 11. Rafael.
Amanda and Mark, good evening. The details are sickening on how this baby died, and now there is legal pushback in this case. The uncle of baby Harlan is behind a notice to sue, accusing DCS of failing the child.
Harlan Haines was put through hell. Doctors apparently found paper towels stuffed in his mouth and multiple injuries to his body, which apparently contributed to his death. His mother, Jennifer, and her boyfriend, Dylan Tate, are behind bars in Anderson.
It's a truly horrific death. The baby didn't have to die. DCS and their epic failure, they didn't do anything.
Now 2 law firms have teamed up to take on the Department of Child Services, filing a notice to sue the state agency. The GDS Law Group and Kate, Terry, and Gookins say that DCS failed baby Harlan. They say Harlan's uncle, Michael McKnight, requested to take in the baby back on December the 27th, and that was denied.
This baby would be alive today if they had have just followed procedure and protocol. Had they just done their job, he'd still be here.
McKnight happened to be a DCS caseworker in Grant County. He says the agency's director, Terry Stigdon, appointed by the governor, called him. McKnight says she told him not to worry about work. McKnight learned that he was fired on the day of the baby's funeral.
He's a regular caseworker in Grant County just doing his job. What does the state of Indiana have to fear from a caseworker?
He had a full access to DCS records, to DCS database, to the internal workings of DCS. Fear. It's a cover-up.
I did reach out to DCS tonight. The department's chief spokeswoman says they may have a response tomorrow, man.